Hey everyone, this video is about how to earn money using YouTube Shorts monetization. Actually, you can earn money by making Shorts video on two ways. Number one, YouTube Shorts Fund. Number two, YouTube ads. Okay, first YouTube Shorts Fund. Under this, YouTube allocated 100 million US dollars to reward YouTube Shorts creator, and one creator can able to receive $100 to $10,000 per month via YouTube Short Funds. Eligibility: any YouTube Shorts creator can eligible to receive the short funds, and no need 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours on the last 365 days. Just upload vertical format less than 1 minute video on YouTube. That's it. And these are the countries which are eligible to receive short funds. Pass the video and take a screenshot, then check whether a country was eligible or not. And to receive short funds, what you have to do means just upload your original, creative or trending content and get millions of views, then earn money from YouTube short funds. That's it. And number two, through YouTube ads. In this scenario, we have two options. If you have already monetized channel means just upload shorts video on that channel, and if that uploaded short videos views came from short feeds means ad was not placed. But if your short views come from browse feature, notification or channel page or search traffic means ads will be placed. Then you can gain money from that. Yeah. On the second scenario, if you are a new creator and still you did not get monetized means try to create quality short videos. By this way there is a chance to get shorts fund, and also you get viewers traction because short videos can easily perform well, so that will increase the channel growth fastly. And the important thing is, until now YouTube did not say about short videos should be monetized, but maybe in future it should. And even though short videos watch time was not considered for monetization, I mean YouTube partner program, but subscriber count will be considered for monetization. So what I would suggest means, once you get the viewers traction from short videos, start uploading normal videos. At the same time, keep uploading the short videos. By this way, I think there is a chance to grow our channel faster, and it also increases our YouTube earnings. That's it. I will tell you the everything. If still have any doubt means, I will leave the Google support links for YouTube short funds in the description. That's it. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.